Oh hey, what's up there YouTube? It's Brian House here for Housework, and today this is going to be a no frills, no bells and whistles video, just a very quick, very brief, less than 5-minute discussion on the release of the 2x72 grinder plans. If you went to the forum that I've been sending everybody to in the last couple of weeks and you filled out that form, on Friday morning in your email, you're going to have an email that will send you to the website. It will have a coupon code included that will knock $20 off those plan sets. And for 25 bucks, you can get the plan set and a bunch of other goodies delivered to you instantly, downloaded into your computer, email, phone, whatever, and you'll be on your way to building this grinder. In my hand, I've got those PDF plans right here. I actually printed them out. They're pretty detail-oriented, very detail-oriented, I should say, filled with all kinds of good detail. And again, you don't have to print this out. So real quick, let me tell you what you get with these plans. You will get a 51-page full-color PDF that you can look at on your phone, on your iPad, on your Android device, on your computer, or print it out like I did. But save some trees if you can and don't print it out. You'll also get DXF files you can pump into a CNC machine, and if you don't feel like cutting them out like I did in all those videos, you can send them all out to a CNC cutter, water jet, laser, whatever, and they'll cut that plate steel out for you, and you can have it fancy-dancyed all up. If you don't have access to a CNC or you don't want to pay to have that done, you will get printable PDF templates that are true to size, meaning you can print them actual size and transfer them to the steel like you saw me do in all those videos and cut them out with an angle grinder and a cutoff wheel. You'll also get a full SketchUp file of the design. You can zoom in and twirl it around. You can look at it. You can modify it. You can check it out, get all the little details, and see the finer details of the design. Metric sizing, imperial sizing, all in one document, yes. There'll also be a resources link included that will take you to all of the tools and all of the parts like the wheels, the drive wheel, the tracking wheel, the motor I used, the VFD I used, anything. Those are all resources included, and a detailed hardware list of every single nut and bolt that you need to build this thing. The website will also have hardware packs available for everyone in the United States. If you're an Imperial person, I've got hardware packs that are filled with every single nut, bolt, spring, axle, bolt, you name it. You want it? It's in this bag, and I'll ship it to you. And just an FYI, in this particular release, I am including the work rest plans. I had thought possibly I wouldn't have time to get it done, but I pushed through, I got it done, and they are included. If you haven't already signed up for that coupon code, you can still do it. That form is still good. It will be live until Thursday night. So if you're watching this video and you're like, oh man, I wish I had that coupon code, you can still do it. There are links down in the description. Again, that'll only be live until Thursday. Once Thursday hits, that form will actually forward you off to the place where you can actually purchase the plans. Get on that list, get your coupon code, get it ready for Friday morning. And I just want to reiterate that that coupon code is only good for 3 days, meaning it will be released on Friday and then it is turned off on Sunday night. So if you snooze, you lose. This is an investment in one of the most important tools you can build and own in your workshop. Thanks for watching, guys. I truly appreciate you, and I want to send out all my gratitude to everyone who has supported me in this process of designing, building, prototyping, and doing all this work. I salute you. Thank you so much. I got to get back to work. I truly appreciate you guys. Thanks. Have a great week. We'll see you on the flip side. My name is Brian House, and this has been Housework.